Hey gamers! If you're on the hunt for the ultimate gaming keyboard, look no further. Today I'm diving into why the AULA F99 wireless mechanical keyboard is stealing the spotlight. First off, let's talk connectivity. This baby offers tri-mode connection options: Bluetooth 2.4 GHz, and USB-C. So whether you're gaming on your PC, tablet, or console, this keyboard's got you covered. Now let's move to the keys. The AULA F99 is hot swappable, which means you can easily customize your keys without soldering. And those pre-lubricated linear switches, smooth and satisfying right out of the box. No need for any mods here. And what about the build quality? This keyboard boasts a gasket structure, making your typing experience both comfortable and durable. It's sturdy, reliable, and built to last. The RGB backlighting is another standout feature. Customers rave about its vibrant colors and customization options. It's not just a keyboard, it's a light show for your gaming setup. Speaking of customer feedback, gamers are loving the AULA F99 for its sound profile. They describe it as creamy and quieter compared to other mechanical keyboards. Perfect for those late-night gaming sessions. Plus, it's stylish. With various design and color options, it's a sleek addition to any gamer's arsenal. And let's not forget about Amazon Prime. Fast, free delivery, and eco-friendly packaging make this a no-brainer. So, if you're looking for a keyboard that combines performance, style, and value, the AULA F99 is your new best friend. Hit the link in the description to check it out. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!